Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Often times of major congestion, where even 100 Gwei is a fair price for gas. Use a Layer 2 solution. Ethereum's high gas prices have been a regularly recurring problem since 2017. This has spawned a wide array of Layer 2 solutions, which aim to offload some of its transaction volume to a separate network, before finalizing the results of these transactions on the Ethereum main chain. These can vary considerably in their form and function, but many of the more popular solutions have been sufficiently battle-tested and can result in significant gas cost savings for users. Polygon, Arbitrum and Optimism are currently the most popular universal Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum. As per data from L2 fees, these can offer a potentially 90% reduction in fees when transferring tokens, or slightly less of a reduction when transferring ETH. Many of the most popular DeFi protocols and dApps have deployed on one or more Layer 2s, so we recommend checking to see if your favorite app is supported. Using other 1 Lira blockchains, one of the best performing sectors of 2021 was so-called Ethereum killers, or competing Layer 1 blockchains that promises ultra-low transaction fees and fast throughput compared to Ethereum. The most popular blockchains, termed Solunavax, has exploded in popularity and market cap. It grew from a combined market cap of around $681 million at the start of 2021 to $94.5 billion now, a staggering 138x increase in over a year. Average transactions on Solana cost around $0.00025, while transferring on Avalanche costs even lesser, around $0.00004 according to Avax Gas Tracker. With their increasing popularity and users flocking to these low-cost blockchains, their respective ecosystem has also exploded in numbers. Users can check out popular Solana ecosystem apps like Serum and Radium for DeFi applications. For Avalanche ecosystem apps, protocols like Trader Joe and Pangolin are popular among DeFi users. Terra's vibrant ecosystem are also highly popular among lunatics, with Anchor Protocol and Mirror Protocol the most popular. Why are your transaction fees costing so much? One of the major reasons why transactions cost so much usually boils down to the following. Funds from investors did not do anything for the altcoin. Down by 65% in 2 months, the network did not gain anything out of it, as transaction numbers of new investors have all remained unchanged. Furthermore, the daily transactions on-chain have dropped from over 4.32k in December to just 754 this week. Similarly, in the span of 2 months, the network has only added 4k new investors. Furthermore, the volume traded on Loopring V2 has now dropped to just $4.8 million. Back in November, during the rally, the volumes averaged at $17 million. Although the number of Loopring wallets created did see a significant increase over the last 2 months, up from 17.5k to 23.3k, the transactions per day have been dragging in double digits. As a result, Loopring's adoption has come down. The same is visible by the drop in network growth too. Additionally, the lack of volatility will not be helpful at the moment. Usually, lower volatility is good in a rising market, but since LRC is already at a pretty low level, higher volatility could swing the price in either direction. Hopefully for investors, it'll be upwards of $1. And second news, in the past few months, the fortunes of many of the assets in the crypto sphere have not been particularly promising on the charts. Bitcoin and Ethereum have led the game of musical chairs, with smaller participants such as Loopring seeing massive block for open standards. Trades are carried out using an Ethereum smart contract system that is open to the public, free to use, and to which any dApp can connect. What is Loopring Lrc? Loopring Lrc is an open source and audited non-custodial exchange protocol. It aims to enable anyone to build decentralized exchanges on top of it by utilizing zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. ZKPs ensure that assets remain under the control of users at all times. Loopring's goal is to improve order execution efficiency and DEX liquidity by centralizing order management and settling trades on the blockchain. The vast majority of cryptocurrency trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges operated by private corporations. The three main risks of centralized exchanges are lack of security, a lack of transparency, and a lack of liquidity. In order to address these concerns, a new type of exchange known as the decentralized exchange has emerged. Decentralized exchanges, however, are not without flaws. Performance and structural constraints continue to be a problem. DApp and stablecoins evolve. The network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the LRC could be as high as $16.79 by 2029, with significant cooperation from financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $14.53 for 2029, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2029. LRC Rate Prediction 2030. LRC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Loopring rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2030, the Loopring rate will be almost $21.22. The maximum bet we can get is $24.85. Loopring average price prediction for the end of 2030 could be around $21.95. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.